So today I'm gonna make my version of chicken wings using makers. I'm gonna start with ginger. I'm gonna show you a quick little tip about how to peel ginger. Is you don't have to use a knife, you can just use a spoon and peel the skin right off ginger. Beautiful. So really I'm just gonna take it and do some thin slices, then I'm gonna come back around and really mince it up. You want it to be as fine as you can get it with a knife. If you have a box grater and you want to use that too, go right ahead. So I've got my minced ginger here. And here I have my bowl of chicken wings, both the flats and the drumsticks. We'll mix them together, and then the ginger is gonna go just right into that bowl. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. I wanna do a good amount of black pepper, soy sauce, sesame oil. I've got some honey, just a touch of a little secret ingredient called fish sauce. And then, my makers. And pour a good amount of that on there. Do work it in there, use your hands. Nothing wrong with cooking with your hands. Get in there and really just kind of massage all that marinade right into the chicken. That's perfect. And then we're ready to smoke. I've set my smoker 225 on smoke mode. I'm using the competition blend because again, I want that nice, even sort of rounded smoke flavor. But I'm really just gonna start just laying them out one at a time. Leave a little bit of space in between the wings. All right, that's it. They're loaded up. And again, 225, and then really 2 hours should be plenty of time at this temperature. I'm gonna check it every half hour, and now what I'll do is I've saved my marinade. I'm just gonna take a spoon and just kind of baste it as I go. I'm not gonna flip the chicken wings, I'm not gonna move them. I'm just gonna put a little extra marinade on top every half hour or so, and we'll check this in 2 hours. The chicken wings are just about ready. I can actually smell them coming through the smoker, but I'm not gonna peek. I want them to give them the full 2 hours. In the meantime, we're gonna make our white barbecue sauce, or as they say, an Alabama white sauce. And it's basically one of my favorite sauces to have with smoked food. It's creamy, it's acidic, it's flavorful, and today I'm gonna spike it with a little bourbon to give it that extra love. So we start with some mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of brown sugar, a good pinch or two of paprika, and a good pinch or two of celery salt. Black pepper. I like my barbecue sauce to have a good hit of acid to it. I want to add the juice of about half of a lemon. Whisk that up. And then, my little secret, I'm gonna add just a little hit of bourbon. Not too much. There you go. Whisk that up together. What we get is beautiful creamy sauce. It's gonna go right on top of those wings. Perfect. All right, so this is about 2 hours and change. I'm gonna lift the smoker up and wow, look at these guys. Beautiful. The color's perfect. They're fully cooked through. They got a nice little crust on them. They're ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start plating them. Now the hardest thing at this point is gonna be to resist the temptation to eat them right off the grill. Go ahead and plate up a bunch of these. All right, look at that. What I like to do is drizzle it right on top so that every piece gets some of that. There it is. Smoked chicken wings with white barbecue sauce.